Welcome to FAD tutorial. Let's make this mechanical piece design in SolidWorks. We are in SolidWorks now. Go to the file, new, part, OK. Then select the top plane, sketch, go to the center rectangle like this, smart dimension. This dimension is 96, this dimension is 64. Go to the feature, extrude base up to 16. Then select this top portion, sketch, go to the corner rectangle, OK, escape, smart dimension, and this dimension is 16. Go to the feature, extrude base, and this dimension is 48. Close. Then select this portion, sketch, go to the line like this, and we will make it round here like this. Okay, smart dimension, this dimension is 8 and the distance from here is 28, and this distance is 12, radius is 12, and this dimension is also 8. So sketch is fully defined. Okay, go to the feature, extrude base, and make it flip, and it is up to 12. And okay, so select this portion again, sketch, draw a line only like this, and like this, and we will convert these entities, this, and this. Okay, go to the feature, extrude base, and up to 30, and this time we will merge the result. Okay, go to the fillet and select this edge, and the radius is 32. Okay, select this portion, sketch, draw a circle, smart dimension 12, go to the line, up to like this, and okay. The distance from here to this end is 24. The distance from here to here is 20. Okay, go to the trim entities and remove this portion. Go to the feature, extrude cut through all. Okay, and go to the appearances, material. We will use the brush material. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please support this channel. You will get a lot from this channel. Thank you for watching.